Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate website analytics with new Relic easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your new Relic account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by visiting the new Relic website. Once logged in, navigate to the new Relic 1 dashboard. Locate the dashboard section in the main menu. Click on Create a Dashboard to start building your analytic views. Name your dashboard something descriptive, like Website Analytics. Next, you'll want to add widgets to your dashboard. Click on Add a Widget to begin. Choose the type of widget you wish to add, such as a line chart or a bar graph. For Website Analytics, select the relevant data source, like browser or APM. Customize the widget settings to filter data specific to your website. For example, set date ranges or specify particular user interactions you wish to track. Once you've configured the widget, click Save to add it to your dashboard. Repeat the widget creation process for any additional metrics you want to track. Now, let's set up automation for these dashboards. Navigate to the Alerts and AI section in New Relic. Click on Create Alert Policy to set parameters for notifications. Define the conditions that trigger alerts, such as traffic drops or errors. For each condition, specify who should receive notifications. You can direct alerts to email addresses or integrate with tools like Slack. After setting up your alert policy, click Create. Next, go to the Insights section to drill deeper into your analytics data. Use query language to pull specific metrics and insights for your website. You can create custom queries based on the information you need. Save these queries as dashboards or charts for ongoing reference. Finally, review your dashboard regularly to monitor performance. Adjust widgets and alerts as necessary to fit changing needs. With these steps completed, you've successfully automated website analytics with New Relic. This setup will provide you with actionable insights and timely alerts to enhance your website's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.